Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use charcoal pencil to draw people. I'm going to share with you my sketching process, and I'll try my best to explain. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the video. I'm going to draw IU from South Korea. First, we will sketch the left eye. Here I'm using Brusto charcoal pencil. Here I start to refine the sketch a little more, looking more closely at the reference picture to make sure my proportion look okay. We will move the brush gently with light hands